guys, the best way to make money online is through dropshipping. We know, bummer. But in today's video, we're going to show you how you can still make loads of money using Shopify without having to do any of the dropshipping yourself. Of course, and as always, our method for today is available worldwide. No matter where you are, you can join in on today's method because we wouldn't want to leave anyone behind. Today's method is great for the pros and even the beginners. It's super easy, and all you need to do is watch today's entire video so that you can fully understand the catch and how to make a lot of money. It's 100% free, so you don't need to worry about investing or paying anything just to start, or even showing any money for that matter. None of that would be needed because it is absolutely and completely free. You know that we only love giving you guys free methods because that's how it's supposed to be in the first place. We're going to be walking you through today's whole method step by step so that you don't get confused or lost in doing today's strategy. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so that you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So obviously our method for today is called Shopify, and to get to their website you can easily just type in shopify.com and you should find yourself on this page right here. Now we know that you're most probably familiar with this website already, or you may have at least an idea or two about Shopify. But if you don't, Shopify is basically where you can start an online business. It's basically an e-commerce platform. It's just like Amazon and other e-commerce websites. It also does drop shipping, and this means that you don't actually have to contact, or you're not actually in possession of the products that you are selling. So that's basically what drop shipping means. You make them and everything like that, maybe design them, but this website produces it for you, makes it into an actual thing, puts it to life, sells it out, and that's how you earn. Now, there are a ton of benefits to drop shipping, like the hassle of shipping and packaging and producing the material itself. It's gone and away from you. All you really are expected to do is make sure that you get the customers, you get sales. So you're going to be somewhat like a middleman between your consumers and your suppliers. If your consumers would want to buy anything, but then again, today's method has nothing to do with dropshipping, and we actually think that you're actually going to lose your minds over today's strategy. Now, making money online off of this method is great, and there are a ton of good things about it, but it can be very risky too, and if you mess up, you could actually lose some money, and that's really not what we want. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now, since we aren't going to be needing or doing any drop shipping, go ahead and scroll to the most bottom part of the page and then look under the Shopify section and then select affiliate program, and that should take you to here. Create new entrepreneurs, earn more than just commission, grow your brand with Shopify, access exclusive opportunities, and earn a commission through our referral program. Become a Shopify affiliate. Join thousands of affiliates from across the globe. We're committed to your success. We help you make the most referrals possible with resources to support your content development and assist your referral traffic's conversion rate. You can get access to a library of global creative, ready-made education and lead magnets, and detailed performance insights through your personal dashboard. Content creators, course educators, influencers, and review sites are helping their audiences launch successful businesses on Shopify while earning competitive referral commissions and elevating themselves as leaders in the industry. Shopify has an amazing affiliate program, which may or may not come as a shock to a lot of us. Today, we're going to be revealing the best ways and the never-before-seen ways to get the most traffic that you possibly can. Now, how are referrals tracked? Upon acceptance into the Shopify affiliate program, you will receive your unique reference handle and affiliate link, which will track all of your referrals. When educating your audience about Shopify, always use your unique affiliate link. Our tracking cookies last 30 days, meaning that if a visitor clicks on your affiliate link posted on your website, then you will be credited with the referral as long as the visitor signs up for a 14-day free trial within 30 days. When that 40-day trial ends and the user becomes a paying customer, you will earn a one-time commission. So how does the payment work? The Shopify affiliate program supports only PayPal for affiliate payouts. For credits created from the 1st up to including the 15th of the month. The payout will occur in 5 business days after the 15th day of the month. For credits created between the 16th to and including the last day of the month, the payout will occur 5 business days after the last day of the month. If the commission balance is below $25, then it will be held until the next payout period. We'll review your message and do what we can to resolve it. So you read and heard it here first. You will need a PayPal account. You guys already know the drill. So make sure you create an account as soon as possible because you're going to be missing a huge opportunity. As you can see in the pricing, people pay anywhere from $29 to $299 to become a member. So just imagine how much you'll be earning monthly on pure commission. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So now it's time to sign up as an affiliate, and to do that you can easily click on apply now right here, and then you'll be brought to this page wherein you're going to have to provide your email, first name and last name, your password twice, and then hit create Shopify ID. Now this is how it should look like once you're in your account, and you just need to fill in more additional information that you'll have to complete, and then after that you're going to have to wait a few more minutes to get approved for the affiliate program. Now this could take a couple hours to a couple of days, so don't worry if you weren't accepted right away. Just hang on, wait for a while because it will come for sure. Once you're accepted, you're obviously going to make sure that they don't regret approving your application. So you're going to do the best you can to drive the most amount of traffic to the website using your unique link. And we're finally getting into all that right now. Now we want you to go to youtube.com. Then what you're going to want to do is actually create your own YouTube video entitled How to Make a Dropshipping Website or something like that. Don't worry about views or subscribers or whatever, because you most definitely will get a ton, especially because a lot of people watch videos about dropshipping all the time. Your video should just contain at least your signing up process on Shopify, creating your business process on Shopify, and you don't even have to show your face, just simply screen record. And the most important step, leave your Shopify affiliate link in the description down below. You won't even need a lot of user signups to be able to earn, because with customers alone clicking on your link, you're already going to be earning so much. That's why we suggest YouTube is the best method to really spread your affiliate link around, because the bigger the platform, the more opportunities you can get. And that is basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.